Good morning, lovely souls. Today, I'll share my morning routine with you. I'm making a face mask to moisturize my skin. These frozen eggs work wonders for reducing eye puffiness. What I adore about this Bella portable blender is its convenience. I can blend my mask right in my cozy bedroom. This feels like a spa day at home. My face feels so nourished. All right, let's make some breakfast. Here's a clever trick I've picked up. Placing toast at the bottom, bacon on top. The result? Toast infused with the savory essence of bacon. The Bella air fryer is compact, yet spacious enough for a good amount of food. That sounds like perfection. Now let's make a delicious omelet with my favorite veggies. I love the vibrant colors of peppers and the color of my Bella cooker. This Bella rice cooker does all the work for me. I love that sound. Now let's whip up some avocado spread. Creamy perfection. I like a spicy kick in the morning. This tastes amazing. Tidying up is my least favorite part. Luckily, my Bella cookware is easy to clean. With a little baking soda and vinegar magic, cleaning is a breeze. Bubbles do wonders to remove tough stains. Good as new. And now I'm off to the gym, but not without my portable blender. It's a must for those post-workout smoothies. It's finally here. New So Yummy kitchen products, available now only at Target.